No.
Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I got a tutorial on the Half Murmax. Here's what it looks like. Alright, before I get into the tutorial, I like to say two things. First is that I know this is a different point of view than I normally do it, but it's just easier to teach it with against the wall and stuff. And second is that I will be trying to be posting every single Wednesday, once a week, so it'll be pretty consistent. Oh yeah, one more thing. I just got a mic, so the sound quality should be better, and that's all thanks to my good pal Paul. Thanks, Paul! Alright, so on the tutorial, first thing I do is a double rollout. Alright, if you don't know how to do that, then here's what it looks like. You're gonna flip it back behind your hand once, and then behind your hand again. Alright, so recap, double rollout, and then about a quarter way up the knife, you're gonna pinch with your thumb and middle finger like this, so you have a nice pivot point like that. Alright, that's what gives a nice look when you're doing the move. You're gonna pivot here, you're gonna make it like a C shape, so like whoa, like that, like a nice C there. You're gonna swing back like that, and then while you're doing that, you're gonna put your ring and pinky fingers behind the handle. Alright, so you're gonna double roll out, pinch here, swing, two fingers behind here, like that. And now, once you get there, like this, you're gonna turn the knife so it's on this side, so when you do the move, you're moving it on like where the gaps are. Alright, so double roll out, swing thingy, two fingers behind. Next step after that is to hold the knife with your middle finger and ring finger. This is a harder move because on all the other tutorials I've done, you don't really use these three fingers, but now you do. So yeah, work on that. So here, swing back, pinch here, and then you're gonna flip the knife up like that, up like that. You're gonna let go a little bit, and then once it comes this way, you should remove your ring finger, so moving just around your middle finger, and then catch it with your pointer finger. That may sound confusing, but here's what it looks like. Here, you're gonna swing it back this way, right? And then you're gonna swing around, catch with that, right? Swing around, here, just gonna swing, let go, still swinging, catch here and here. Alright, just practice that part because that's the hardest part in this move. Swing here, flippy thing there. Alright, next step, here, you go around here, you're going to let it fling back here, and then with your pointer finger and middle finger, you're gonna flip it back up like that, readjust your hand, and just flick the knife back up. And that's it. 1, 2, C thing, move, twist the knife, pivot here, up, here, back down, and back up. One more time. Here, double roll out, C shape thing, twist, pinch, swing, pinch, and then you're gonna swing back, readjust your hand, let knife come back up. Alright guys, that's the move, Half Murmax. Here it is one more time. Alright, so that's the whole move. Please like, subscribe, put down a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!